I speak to you from this particular session at Kakatiya, which is on sustainable livelihood and community development initiatives through entrepreneurship. We have one of our participants here as Prakriti Power and of course Bamboo House. I will be chairing the session which talks about the public-private partnership models that are available to initiate as well as drive innovation in this particular area. See, one of the biggest areas that is there as for a potential investor in this area is starting from the process of capacity building in creating an awareness about this entire story, as well as integrating it along with all the options that are available, which includes technology, which includes people, which includes training, which includes the entire ecosystem, which allows people who have potential to be able to do something in this space to actually fully uncover their capabilities as well as use the opportunities available in the environment. So as a part of that entire thing, we have something which will actually address the core requirement of energy for people and communities in the form of the products which are under the banner of Global Telelinks Hyderabad and Prakriti System. Now these are basically products which go into enabling the process of making your entire day more fruitful by allowing lighting products for isolated areas where maybe electricity is not reaching, or there is a dearth of electricity, or there is unreliable electricity available. So the typical products that are available, which include substitutions for the kerosene lamps, which is a form of I'm sure they will actually show an entire session on that particular kiosk, study lamps and chargers, manual chargers, as well as motorcycle and cycle chargers are all available for the community, which is using the best of both the technologies, the Indian technology and the brain for designing, as well as the Chinese technology and ability to mass scale and produce. So we basically, based on our designs, are manufacturing these products to be able to reach the markets of India at the cheapest price possible, and keeping in mind the possibility of actually having clusters of villages and communities benefit through having a very simple product design which can all be assembled together on the field, which means that the reliability of the product and the sustainability of the product also goes up in drastic terms, which allows people, local people, to create as well as manage their entire distribution channel and the maintenance channel effectively, allowing all the consumers to benefit in the entire process, which would be basically from the rural community as well as the lower strata. So that is what maybe is one of the applications of sustainable livelihood through usage of the right technology and the right ideas and the capacity building that I could illustrate in this particular case in the form of the products the product range that is available with Prakriti Power. Thank you.